Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix TNT app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the TNT app. So if it's not working for you, then you have to hold the app and then you have to click on this like app info. Then at here you have to scroll down slowly and then you will see the option as here as storage. Just click on here. Then click on the clear data. Then delete it. Okay. Then you have to like open the app. If it's work for you, then fine. If it's not work for you, this method, then you have to open the Google search bar, okay, at here, and then you have to search for the TNT app. Okay, so at here I can see the TNT. Just open it and click on here at the update button, and it will be updated and it should work. If it's work, then it's fine. If it's not work, then you have to reinstall it. You can reinstall it and you can fix it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.